Hello, good morning students. Continuing my video of class 7 mathematics. Today we will solve exercise 2b from question number 4. In question number 4 it is given that apples are sold at 48 whole 4 by 5 per kg. Price of apple per kg, that is 48 whole 4 by 5 rupees. As we have to solve here the mixed fraction, 48 5s are 240 and 4, 244 by 5. Now, what is the cost of 3 whole 3 by 4 kg of apples? Therefore, cost of 3 whole 3 by 4 kg apple, that is rupees 244 by 5 multiplied with 3 whole 3 by 4. So 244 by 5, 4 3 are 12 and 3, 15 by 4, 5 3 are 15, 4 6 are 24, 4 1 are 4, 16 3 are 183 rupees. So the price of our cost of 3 whole 3 by 4 kg of apple is rupees 183. Question number 5 is also same. Now question number 6. A car covers a certain distance at a uniform speed of 66 whole 2 by 3 km per hour. The speed of car, that is 66 whole 2 by 3 km per hour. So we have to solve here the mixed fraction. 66 3 are 198 and 200 by 3 km per hour. Now, how much distance will it cover in 9 hours? Here the time is 9 hours. Therefore, distance covered by car, that is equal to speed into time. Means the speed is here 200 by 3 km per hour and the time is 9 hours. 3 3 are 9, hours cancel. So the distance covered by the car is 600, 23 are 600 km. Now we have to look here question number 7. First we have to make it clean. In question number 7, one tin holds 12 whole 3 by 4 liters of oil. One tin holds 12 whole 3 by 4 liter oil. That is 12 4 is 48 and 3, 51 by 4 liter oil. So it is asked here, how many liters of oil can 26 such tins hold? Therefore, quantity of oil in 26 such tins for finding the value of 26 tins, quantity of 26 tins, we have to multiply 51 by 4 into 26. Now, by solving it, we get the value 2 to the 4, 2 13 is 6, 13 1 is 13, 13 5 is 65 and 1 66 by 2. Again converting in whole number, that is in liter value. 2 3 is 6, 2 3 is 6, 2 1 is 2, 331 whole 1 by 2 liter of oil. Question number 8 is also same. Now we have to look here question number 9. 9 boards are stacked on the top of each other. 9 boards, number of boards here. In question number 9, the number of boards are 9. The thickness of each board is 3 whole 2 by 3 centimeter. Thickness of each board, that is 3 whole 2 by 3 centimeter. So we have to solve it. 3 3 9 to 11 by 3 centimeter. Now it is asking in question, how high is the stack? So the height of a stack is thickness of each board. Thickness of each board multiplied with number of boards. Number of boards. So the thickness of each board is here 11 by 3 centimeter and the number of board is here 9. 3 3 is 9. So the height of the stack is 33 centimeter. Okay. Now the next question. Rohit takes 4 by 5 minutes to make a complete round of a circular park. First we have to make it clean here. Now in question number 9, Rohit takes 4 by 5 minutes to make a complete round. Time taken by Rohit to make a complete round, that is 4 whole 4 by 5 minute. So we are solving here the mixed fraction. 5 4 are 20 and 4. 24 by 5 minutes. It is asked in the question, how much time will it be taken 15 rounds? Therefore, time taken by Rohit to make 15 complete rounds that is 24 by 5 into 15, that is 72 minutes. Now when you convert into hour, that is 1 hour 12 minutes. Okay. Now question number 11. Amit weighs 35 kg. His sister Kavita weighs 3 by 5 of Amit weighs. How much does the Kavita weigh? Weight of Kavita that is 3 by 5 of Amit's weight. Therefore 3 by 5 into the weight of Amit is given here 35 kg. 5 7s are. Therefore weight of Kavita is 21 kg. Now in question number 12, there are 42 students in a class. The number of students in a class is 42. 5 by 7 of the students are boys. Total number of students in class, that is 42. Now number of boys equal to 5 by 7 of total student. That is 5 by 7 into the number of total students is 6. Therefore, the number of boys is 30. So it is in question, it is asked that how many girls are there in the class. Therefore, number of girls in the class, that is total number of students, minus number of boys. So the total number of students is 42 minus number of boys is 30. 12 girls. The numbers of girls in the class is 12. Now moving on, question number 13. Look at question number 13 here. In question number 13, Sapna earns rupees 24,000 per month. Earning of Sapna per month. Earning of Sapna per month. That is rupees 12,000. Okay? Sorry, 24,000. What Sapna earns? 24,000. She spends 7/8 of her income and deposit the rest. So first we have to find here her expense. Her expense is equal to 7/8 of her income. So 7/8, and what is her income? 24,000. 8 3 are 24. 3 0 0. 3,007 are 21,000. 21,000 she spends per month also. And rest of the money she deposit in a bank. How much money does she deposit in a bank each month? So her deposit in bank per month, that is equal to income of per month minus expense of per month. Expense of per month. So the income of per month of Sapna is given here 24,000. And her expense per month is 21,000. Therefore, what amount she deposits in banks? She deposits 3,000 per month in bank. Now, question number 14 and 15 both are same. In both questions, we have to find the area. In question number 14, we have to find the area of a square. So, as we know, the formula of area of a square is side into side. Similarly, in question number 15 also, we have to find the area here of a rectangle. So, for finding the area of rectangle, we have to multiply its length and breadth. So, the length of, in question number 15, it is given that find the area of a rectangular park which is 1 whole 2 by 3 meter long. Length of rectangular park. Length of rectangular park, that is given here 41 whole 2 by 3 meter. 41 3 are 123 and 2. 125 by 3 meter. And the breadth of park is here. Breadth of park, that is given here 18 whole 3 by 5 meter. So 18 5s are 90 and 3. 93 by 5 meter. Therefore, area of rectangular park, that is equal to length into breadth. So the length is here 125 by 3 meter into 93 by 5 meter. 520 the 25 the 525 the 125 and 3 31 जा 25 1 जा 25 in hand 2 25 3 जा 75 and 2 77 775 meter square. Here the area is 775 meter square. Okay, now this way we have completed our this exercise. In my next video we will solve the next exercise 2C. Thank you for watching.